G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Today we've got a 2014 Fiat Freemont with the 2.4 litre petrol engine. It's coming for a check engine light and the throttle body light coming on. So stick with us and I'll show you what we found. So here you can see that we've got the 2.4 litre petrol, and those of you that work on a lot of Jeeps know which engine this is. Obviously it's an engine that's shared a little bit between Jeeps, Dodges and the Fiats. Obviously we check for codes, and as you can see, P2173, throttle actuator control, an issue with a possible vacuum leak, high airflow. So in this case, the freeze frame data didn't really help us. And to be honest with you, if you got something like this code, you might as well just go. If you got a smoke test available and you can easily get in there, you might as well just go straight for a smoke test and hoping that it's not an intermittent fault, which it definitely could be, depending on what the customer said. The customer did say to us that in the morning it was in limp mode with the throttle light on, and then he cycled the key a few times and it was okay after it was just the engine light on, but he could still drive it. So obviously we hooked up the smoke machine. That's the first thing that we did. And as you can see here, as we start to build up, we have got smoke absolutely pouring out from the manifold, particularly around that number 4 cylinder port. So clearly these just have an O-ring type seal. Obviously this has 160,000 Ks on it, so they just break down over time, and that's what we assume to be. Obviously when we go to replace this, we'll have a good look at that manifold to make sure there's no issue with the manifold as well. But we'll put that together and we'll check that out and redo the smoke test and make sure all is good. But that is why we have that high airflow fault. Obviously we've got a massive vacuum leak at idle. Now, the other thing is, the last time you saw our video and you saw me refer to some of the good repair solutions on board, here's just another example. If you jump on TAT right now, and yeah, fair enough, you don't see many of these Fiats on there, but if you type Jeep P2173, this is what you find, and you can see Brendan Sorensen has actually put up this exact fault before, so it must be a super common problem. And as you can see, it was the same sort of issue, and it was leaking from almost the exact same place. So thanks for Brendan for putting that up there, and this just further reinforces that this is a bit of a common problem. And if you guys ever come across this with that high airflow code, just get the smoke tester on it and yeah, see how you go. So there you go, guys. Once again, a relatively simple one, and obviously it just reinforces the fact that the known repair solutions on the TAT side are a really great help as usual. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.